Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have admin access, now act. First, log into your router or firewall web UI, use the device IP and admin credentials. Once logged in, go to URL or domain filtering, add primary YouTube domains, YouTube, com YouTube, com idimg, com Google Video, com. Make sure to save or apply changes immediately. This begins network-level blocking. If you only control one computer, open its host's file as an alternative and map those domains to 127, 0, 0, 1 to block locally. Once domain blocking is set, strengthen it with DNS filtering. Point your network to OpenDNS, NextDNS, or run Pi-hole. Add YouTube domains to the block list so DNS never resolves them. If videos still load, filter by IP ranges or enable TLS/SNI inspection on your firewall to catch CDNs like Google Video. Make sure to install browser extensions or device parental controls as secondary layers. These catch apps or HTTPS workarounds. Test access from wired and Wi-Fi clients to confirm coverage. Now finalize. Flush DNS on clients, reboot the router and affected devices, then try accessing YouTube, com and a video URL. If blocked, lock admin access with a strong password and enable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.